Phoenix here. Grab a chair, sit down, let's chat. Now, I will honestly say that in this state's opposition, not state's objection, to defendant's motion to continue is a 22-page document that came out. I wanted to wait some time, read this, reread this so that I can interpret it correctly for you. Like some on here will go ahead and give you the emotional response. I am giving you the factual legal response. Although I'm no lawyer, I'm no legal representative, I'm no legal eagle, but I can look at this document and I can tell you what is going on. I can't tell you what's going on behind the scenes because I don't know and I will never assume. However, in this document right here, this is basically in a nutshell what it's saying. First of all, I want you to know the difference between an objection and an opposition. An objection is saying, no way in hell. An opposition is saying, Your Honor, you can decide, but we are not in favor of a delay. That's what a motion to continue is. So the state, the prosecution, is saying, look, Mr. Kohlberger, you have had plenty of time, T-I-M-E. They're basically saying, look, Mr. Kohlberger, you were arrested December 2022. You've had plenty of time. You've had a legal team. You have had investigators. You've had mitigation defense. You have had X, Y, and Z. And the state is basically saying, Mr. Kohlberger, you've already hired experts. You've already have plenty of witnesses and exhibits. And we know, in fact, that we've had set deadlines made, yada, 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 the procedural facts and background of the case. And of course, they're saying that the deadlines have already passed and he should be prepared to go to trial. And the state is basically saying, look, the victims' families have rights as well as the defendant, Mr. Kohlberger, and honestly, you should be ready to go to trial, which I agree, because that is the legal process and to protect both the defense and the victims' families and the victims. And the legal background and the mumbo jumbo and the jargon is in this 22-page document. However, the prosecution is basically saying enough is enough. It's time to go to court, time to go to trial. Let's get this done, while ignoring the alternative perpetrators and the information given. Now, in a few days, we will not be able to see the outcome of that hearing, but we will be able to hear if this is delayed one more time. In my humble opinion, I hope that it's delayed. I hope the alternative perpetrator theory is heard and listened to and investigated, or else they will go to trial with a jury that may actually, factually give a sentence to a possibly innocent person. What are your thoughts now on this? I mean, I will give you my overview. I will give you how I feel about this, but I want to know how you feel about what you're seeing, because we have been showing you all the inconsistencies in this case, and I have still not seen any factual evidence, nothing in regards to Bryan Kohlberger's innocence or guilt. Like and follow for more. I'm going to give you the facts as they are. Be well.